Hey guys, running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. And today's video, we're going to talk about the Dollar General. Well, I did go to a DG yesterday, and when you walked into the front of the store, because now in Michigan it's mandatory to wear a mask, they had this actual station up that you can grab a pair of gloves, mask, hand sanitize. So they're not going to be telling you to leave the store. They want you to use provided stuff if you have absolutely nothing. And I thought this was a very progressive move on behalf of our local Dollar Generals to at least offer this up to customers. I thought that was pretty cool. Now, I made a video yesterday. I posted it, I think, in the evening-ish, around there, of the best gain scenarios. These are some of the best numbers I've seen, guys, all year long. It's pretty exciting. I think last week and this week, best gain deals at the Dollar General, stacking the 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 30. This is for Saturday the 18th only. Now, that being said, I want to talk about a couple quick freebies, because I'm not going to be doing a 5 off of 25 video this week, because I think where the biggest deals are at is where the gain is. And even if you don't like gain, still some of this stuff is so inexpensive, it's just worth trying to do one of those deals. I did collect all of these freebies yesterday, and it's working perfectly. The first one is an Oral-B toothbrush. This guy for exactly $2. Use the Dollar General app to scan in the store to make sure you're grabbing the right one, because all those toothbrushes look identical. We have this wonderful $2 manufacturer digital coupon, so you're going to have this guy loaded for this deal. If you just want to grab a couple of freebies, or if you're going to scout a store for what we're going to talk about at the balance of the video, you know, something to grab in the store. As you can see, that coupon's attaching perfectly, making this toothbrush completely for free. Another great freebie is with these Dental Life dog bones that are exactly $1 on the nose. You will find these specifically in the dollar spot. So most Dollar Generals have a section where everything's $1, and they are right there. Every store that I visited the last couple of days, there's always like a ton of them. And we have this wonderful dollar coupon that showed up, and it's zeroing it out to free. So how wonderful is that? And I did test this out yesterday, and yes, it is in fact working. Over on coupons.com, there's also a very similar printable coupon. So, you know, if you have a bunch of dogs and you want to get a bunch of treats, this might be something to print out over on coupons.com. The last freebie that we're going to talk about is this little patch by this company called Biofreeze. It's exactly $1.75, and I was able to find a bunch of them too, because I know this deal's been floating around for a couple of weeks, and we have a very generous $2 coupon. So here's the $2 coupon, and it's attaching to this product, and this was not found in the travel section either. It's with the regular pain meds. As you can see, that $2 coupon is giving you a quarter of overage, so you would need something to grab the overage. Okay, so what we're going to talk about, this is really important, guys. There's rumors going rampant that there's possibly a clearance event that will be taking place from this Friday to Sunday. So that's from the 17th to the 19th. I've asked a bunch of people on Instagram, and I've been just snooping around too. From what I understand, guys, it's going to be a your mileage may vary, which means it's going to be in certain markets, but not all markets. So absolutely, you know, Thursday, Friday, if you could tiptoe into the store and see if stuff might be on clearance, or if they have a clearance section with signage saying an extra 50% off of clearance, that's when the magic happens. For example, an item that would be $4 in the clearance section is now $2. Pairing that with a manufacturer coupon, well, that's a whole lot of awesome. There's a wonderful content maker over on Instagram, Dollar General Saving with Sanders, and she had a lot of information on this, and people are chiming in from Dollar Generals from one side of the US to the other, and everybody is saying, yes, this might be happening, or no, I don't hear a word of that. So fingers and toes crossed this is happening, because this might be really fantastic. Why this event is so fantastic, guys, is if I told you I got this entire basket for like $2, would you believe me? Yeah, it actually happens all of the time. And just to show you my receipt, like I got that huge basket down to $1.87, and that is the magic of these clearance event when items are an additional 50% off, and pairing it with manufacturers, there's a lot that you can do with it. Now, stores with an abundance of clearance merchandise, apparently they're supposed to be participating. You can always go in a little early and ask a manager and be super nice and smiley and say, are you going to be having the clearance event? Or look if they might be staging something like this. Or, you know, look for signage. And there's another way that you can figure out if your store is participating in a clearance event or not. And that is, if you ever had anything that you purchased from the last clearance event Scan the barcode, and if it's ringing up 50%, you know you're in business. For example, this The Works, that was 90%. It was found in many stores on clearance, and when you scanned it on that Friday, the first day of the clearance event, the last time, it rang up for 45 cents, so that's when you know. So if you want to pause this video on Friday and try scanning it yourself, and then type in the DG app like different stores in your region or the store that you usually go to do your clearance event, if it shows like this, you know that the merchandise is ringing up for 50% off. So I mean, if this is on, guys, there's some real magic and really cool items that we can get really cheap, including this Febreze fabric for $5. And we have that wonderful 3 off a 2. So for 2 massive containers, I mean, this is going to be really amazing. And then we have a $2 for the Gain fabric softener. So pairing it with this, it's going to be free plus some overage. So even from the comfort of your home on Friday, if you want to scan a barcode with the DG app, perhaps you can figure it out that way. I will absolutely let you guys know if I find out any more information before Friday. This is my favorite event that they have. I mean, I love it. And maybe you could let me know in the comments if you're hearing anything specifically at your store. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.